Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen.
What is an optical illusion? Optical illusions can use color, light, and patterns to create images that can be deceptive or misleading to our brains. The information gathered by the eye is processed by the brain, creating a perception that in reality does not match the true image. Artists use shapes, colors, and patterns in special ways to create images that look as if they were moving, blurring, or popping out into space. Optical illusions simply trick our brains into seeing things which may or may not be real. Start with drawing a rectangle. Mark a dot not in the center as your starting point. Using a ruler or a straight edge, draw diagonal lines starting at the dot out to the edge of the rectangle. Continue around, spacing out lines like sun rays. Draw an even number of lines. In my example, I drew 10 lines. Starting in the center, draw curved lines in each of the sun ray sections, alternating the curve from a smiley curve to a frown curve. Go all the way around. For the second layer of curves, copy the same curve in the same section below. Continue around with your third and fourth round, as many rounds as you can fit into your rectangle picture plane. Note, some of the curves may not fit into the rectangle any longer. Once you have completed all your curvy layers, your artwork will look like a spider web. Some optical illusion effects are starting to happen. Now the fun of designing and patterning may begin. I added stars in every other stripe. You may add whatever designs you like, but keep it as a pattern. Patterns repeat. Now that you're finished the layout of your design, you may begin the coloring. Use red and white to imitate the US flag in my example, or use any color choices you would like. Once again, make sure you repeat colors in patterns. To add finishing touches to your optical illusion piece, use a soft pencil to shade along of each of the diagonal lines. Apply a light layer of graphite and blend with your fingers. Make sure not to add any shading in the center of each diagonal stripe, so it looks like light is reflecting on it. Voila! Your optical illusion art piece is done. It truly tricks your eyes and looks amazing, and it was so fun to create.
Thanks for watching. Community ArtsKitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby-Steinmann and Anna Rochester. See you next time.